You keep asking, what is that book that I keep mentioning, I keep talking about? And guys, the books, there are a couple books that I'm enjoying a lot for the last year or so. And the books, as you can see, they are written by this great player, Boris Gulko. And this is a player that I have followed for years, but I didn't know he had these books. And Gulko is very interesting because he has never been that popular, at least to me, not as other players like Kasparov or Karpov, but he has played players of this caliber, Karpov, Kasparov, Beliavsky, and he has defeated them multiple times. So in this book, he what he does is he has a collection of his best games. First book is more about strategy and positional chess. Second book is more about aggressive attacking chess. And one of the best things about it is that he's one of his students as a co-author, right? And basically he is giving these exercises from his books, and his student first provides his answer. He's like, okay, in this position, like I showed you in the latest video how I use it to improve my calculation. And he's like, in this position, find the strongest move, calculate variations. And then you get to read what his student thought of the position, his analysis, and then Golko comes in with his feedback, correcting him, or just adding whatever he needs to add. If you're gonna buy the books, don't forget to use the link that I left in the description. That way I get commission. But seriously, guys, in this book, you're going to learn something regardless of your level. And I have learned a lot, not only about chess, like calculation and strategy and endgame, but also about psychology, how to be a more practical player. So I really like it. And ultimately, it's like having a very experienced player, a very experienced grandmaster, just giving you a lot of his knowledge. If you have read these books, please let us know in the comments what you think. That way people get a different opinion. And if you have other books that you think every chess player should read, also please don't be lazy and put it in the comments. That way we all benefit from that.